So hello guys, so again I'm here with Filmora 15. Today I'm going to show you very interesting thing. Many of the people ask me this question: how can we make the clone, how can we make the duplicate? like we see many videos on YouTube. The person is throwing the cloth on the sofa or on the floor, and the other clone appear, or other yani duplicate appear from the cloth. So let's start. First see this video and then I will show you. So guys, you see, you check, I throw the cloth and the clone is appeared. So now what we have to do, the first we need two shots. The first shot, it will be like this. This will be the first shot. You can see now, just I am throwing my coat, okay, and I am shocking like somebody appear here. So this will be the first one, okay. Now the second shot will be this one. I start from beginning. See, now this is the second one and I am showing like somebody's standing in front of me. Okay, so we need these two, and first I will drag the first clip here, okay, and then I will select the another clip. So you can see now I did the both clips, but as you know, in the first I am removing my coat and then I am throwing on the floor. So until I don't throw on the floor, the second person will not appear. So I have to check where I am throwing the coat on the floor, and then the second person will appear. Suppose now here I open the cloth, yani my coat, and I am throwing my cloth here. I will make this a little bit more. So here, this is the point where I have to put the another uh, video or another shot. Okay, now after this, you can see now here. Okay, after this, what you have to do, you will click on the second shot, okay, and after that you will go to effects. In effects you have to write image mask, okay, just press enter. You see their image mask. This one is the image mask. I will take this and put on the second shot. Once I put on the second shot, so you can see now there is a circle and this, okay. So I will click on it on my second shot. So once I will click on my second shot, you see on the corner this small stick. I will double click on it and then I will see this window. So I will come here down and I will choose one of it from here. So I choose this one. Now there is a circle. You can see the mask in the circle. Now I choose this one, okay, and after that, once I choose it, I will make this X. I will increase the value. I will set where both are the characters showing, okay. Now I will go down. I will choose the feather. So if there is problem with the light or the line is coming, so in the middle, yani between these two characters, so this line will be removed, it will be more clear. Okay, then that's it. Now I will run the movie video so I check how much it's comfortable, yani I did is good or no. So now you can see, okay, this one in the beginning, because this one I put in the beginning, so that's why it's coming. Now see this one, the first shot, and now once I remove this coat, after that I put the second shot. So once I put this, so now you can see this second shot will start, and there is a small mid line in the middle. So maybe I will choose the feather little bit. uh, where was the line? If I notice, you will notice because you are preparing this, otherwise nobody will notice this. Okay, so increase the feather if you think this is not perfect. Okay, so now the line has been removed. So like this you can create duplicate anywhere, any place you can select, and you can do this duplicate. So guys, I hope you understand everything. If you have any problem or you have any comments, you can ask me in the comment box, and you can ask me the question, because I am here to resolve your problems. So guys, till the next video, take care, bye.